2023 GMC Acadia Review and Prices. Pros. Refined ride quality, quick acceleration from optional V6 engine, simple, easy-to-use cabin layout. Cons. Cabin isn't particularly luxurious, even in the priciest trim level. Some rival SUVs offer more cargo and third-row space. What's new? No significant changes for 2023. Part of the second Acadia generation introduced for 2017. Looking for an SUV with 3 rows of seats and a comfortable ride? The 2023 GMC Acadia fits the description. And as a bonus, it comes in several styles, from the standard version to the flashy Denali, plus the bulked-up AT4 for the appearance of off-road adventuring. Whichever trim interests you, GMC hopes that you'll find the Acadia to be more upscale than some of its midsize SUV rivals, but not as expensive as a luxury SUV. MSRP range, $35,300 to $49,100.